How to send message to someone on Quora app easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send a message to anyone on Quora. So all what you have to do is go to Quora app. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this person. For example, click on the person that you want and go to his profile. Now you will find this option of ask here. Click on ask and now you can send any message from here. For example, how old are you, for example, and click add and the question will be added. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.